Well, I guess the SEMA build really starts now with the CST lift kit.
Yep.
Got the whole 7 to 9 inch CST lift. Dropping it off here at Resurrected Sandblasting to get everything blasted for Alex, Southern Showstopper, to do his magic.
Well, I tell you, they know how to do some packing. Holy shit.
And there's more boxes in there? Oh no. Tie rod.
Tie rod ends.
Nice. Dang, that's beefy.
Ah, there's some beefy tie rod ends.
And they send you tie rod. That's pretty awesome.
Yep.
Oh, that's cool.
These are going to you.
Are we blasting this too? And powder coating it? Okay. Ah, fancy man. Is that a sticker on the top or?
Oh, it is a sticker.
Okay. I mean, just peel the sticker. I'll take this over to him. Got the knuckles here. The whole cradle for the cross member. Comes with the control arms. All of these will be getting blasted here.
Got the truck on the lift. Did a little bit last night. Got the fender liners taken out. Trim pieces taken out. Front and rear. Today we're going to work on taking this lift out. This is a BDS 4.5 to 6 inch lift. We're going to work on getting it taken out today. Get ready for the CST lift.
Alright, so we got Devin's truck up on the lift. Got everything powder coated by Alex, Southern Showstopper. We are installing this 8 to 10 inch CST lift. And we had to remove the factory center link because the cool thing about CST kit is that it comes with their own drop down center link.
So now we need to take the box loose though to get that arm off, right?
Correct. So I guess with you having a California lift, is your truck going to be going down the road?
You gotta have that Cali lean a little bit.
No.
Not to be confused with the Carolina squat. You gotta have the California lean. And we're adding 20 more rock lights.
We're replacing the advanced with the 2.0s and going from the standard quads to the high intensity quads.
The rings are powder coated too.
Yeah.
Bougie. Taking this to SEMA?
Thinking about
Think about it? Alright. And then we got the work for it hitch.
After 2 years of it sitting in the truck,
Yep.
finally got it done.
Did you already get those out?
Yeah.
You can get the work for it hitch on jwmotorsportsco.com. I'm just kidding. You can't get that there. Maybe I'll talk to Ryan. Maybe I could be his dealer.
Alright, before we put that back in.
And that would be pretty dope. If,
Right.
Ryan,
If I could become a dealer for work for it. And then we had to remove the PISC kit, also known as Pitman Arm Idler Support Kit. So
I think I'm going to do an off-brand of his work for it. More tailored to me.
Yeah.
Slave for it.
Slave for it. And this is CST's subframe.
My favorite one.
Is it? Why?
Because it uses all your factory mounting holes. Like say like a rough country kit or something. Usually these two holes, they're just there.
Yeah.
But if you look at that one,
Oh yeah.
it uses them. It's more support.
That's true.
Go Baja on with this shit.
And other lift kits, they're two separated
Members.
cross members, so you gotta kind of line them up.
This one you got to take.
See, the only thing I don't like is I don't like skid plates. I like having everything on the cross member. Like BDS, theirs is a skid plate, and I never bought a skid plate because you have to buy that separately with BDS. It's like a $50 option. But Ready Lifts, Rough Country, McGoy's, they all have the logo on the cross member. So. Alex finished the rear. Damn, that airbag looks really sad right now. We got the airbags mounted. Got the leaf springs all. Y'all did that this morning.
Yep. Wait.
What? What you thinking?
That's an 8-inch deeper pack, right?
With 6-inch airbag spacer. Is that enough?
And a 1-inch block.
Yep. So it'll sit at 9.
So it's an 8 to 10 kit. So with the deeper pack, or is it a 6-inch deeper pack?
I don't know.
It's probably a 6-inch deeper pack because the 8 to 10 kit, your base would be 8, and the back would be 6.
Okay. Okay.
So it's an 8 to 6. So 8 and 6. So it's a 6-inch deeper, I think.
Yeah.
1-inch block, which is 7. So that's why it's a 6-inch. So it's an inch. Probably need a 7-inch spacer, but once you get on the ground, I guess you'll see how it looks. I mean, you're full of droop right now.
All right. I like that. Alternating powder coat colors. Man, this thing is really. Is this more powder than yours? No, you got more powder coat?
He's got the airbags on my bag. But like these things on mine, I did the nuts, bolts, and washers. I did my rings. I don't have my hitch done.
I was about to say. Should get the hitch done. I want to get the hitch done on mine.
So I went paying JRPW to do it.
Can you fit that in your oven? No. Now the only thing is the PPE is
Candy red.
So
That's gonna get changed.
if Devin's really about it,
I did these brackets on mine. These.
yeah, if Devin's really about it, we gotta redo this to either silver or illusion red. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think. Silver or illusion red? Because I mean the hitch is illusion red. So do we want to keep it red or change it up and put silver? This decal right here says no squatting, but I have a feeling we might be
I don't think so.
Cali leaning.
No.
No?
Maybe an inch. Let's go your way.
Let's go. Let's go.
I need to tap it up too.
Yeah, it's gonna have to be tapped up.
Put in solid 12 hours today for you guys. Alex and Devin got started on it today at what, 10 o'clock? 90% of the lift done today. And honestly, I'd hate to leave you guys with a cliffhanger, but on the next episode is gonna be the final touch, because the sway bar bushings need to be purchased and a few other nuts and bolts for the shocks.
Do the
Keys.
parking brake cables for the rear, and the rear's done.
And then tomorrow, finishing up rock lights. Wheel lights are done, right? Powers are already ran. Alright, so stay tuned. Hit the subscribe button to see this thing hit the ground with those Hostile wheels and some 38s. It's gonna look pretty good. Yeah, you gotta do that tomorrow too. On the next episode, we'll give you guys a final reveal of this SEMA build after putting this 8 to 10 inch lift. There's still a lot of stuff that we need to do, like paint match, off-road bumper, and a few other things. But yeah, at least we got it started, and we're not going to be on a extreme SEMA crunch like we normally are, unless we get a few other parts towards the end of the year, right before SEMA, which definitely could happen.